Alexa, tea time. Words cannot express how much I love this thing. I have ADHD and was always on the manual one hitting the lever and then forgetting about it. And so it would be cold and then hitting it again. And sometimes I would be 6 o'clock at night before I managed my first cup of tea. And this maintains temperature. It doesn't stay at 212. It stays around, I think, 200. And you can set different temperatures. I just do 212 because that's the right temperature for black tea. Anyway, highly recommend. This thing has been a life changer.